Overcome your past mistakes with emerging to your long-distance goals. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. The barriers that you are carrying with you from your past work, from your past mistakes, the prejudice that you have to this world, you can overcome all of these struggles only when you will focus on your future. You should not focus on your present, and you should not focus on your past when you are not satisfied with it. So you need to look in the future, and you need to live only for that goal that you really want to accomplish, that goal that will save you of the struggles that you are overcoming right now. You need to invest your present time into looking forward and achieving that highest desire. So you will need to probably stay patient, you will need to struggle it over just to reach that desire that you want for your progress and for your success in the future. That's my success principle for today, and you need to become a better person so you can achieve your greatest desires. Forget about the past, start moving forward and become the best version of yourself. Bye.